Hi guys, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. It's getting warmer and warmer outside, so maybe you need some food can really cool down your body temperature and give you a mind-blowing flavor. So today I'd like to share with you how to make Korean Cold Noodle. To prepare your Korean Cold Noodle, you need this buckwheat noodles and together with beef broth. This beef broth I put it in the freezer, so with the ice and liquid together. How to make this broth? You need a piece of beef and onion, ginger, and green onion. You just put them together in a wok and boil them for 1 hour. Then you put the soup in the freezer. You can got this one. Just put in the freezer for 2 or 3 hours. So our ingredients is here. Let's get started.放一点梨，酱油2汤匙，香油1汤匙，苹果醋2汤匙，然后糖浆，然后是韩国的辣酱，也是2汤匙 ，paprika， 这个是洋葱，蒜2瓣。机上把它打匀。好，我们把酱汁倒出来。好，我尝一下这酱汁。非常的好吃。好，我们的梨汁打好了之后呢，把它过滤出来。 like that. Sour and sweet and spicy and very cold. I really think you can try it in your kitchen. It will give you a surprise. If you like my video today, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you do not subscribe my channel, please do it now. I'd like to see you in my next video. Bye!